Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your wallet to your account on the Moneylover application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and after that go to the My Wallets section. Here click on the See All button, and down below you can see that you have the chance to add your wallet, so tap on it, and here you should select from these four options: basic wallet, linked wallet, credit wallet, or gold wallet. After selecting the relevant one, you can select the icon first, then type in the name of your wallet. Select your currency. As you can see, you have a bunch of options here if you scroll down, but you can also type it into the search bar at the top to find it easier or more easily. Then you should add or indicate your initial balance, then your category. Here it's set to standard categories, so here you can choose from a vast variety of options. You can link it to services such as to your local banks, PayPal, and other kind of services. And you can turn on this excluded from total function. So as it says down below, ignore this wallet and its balance in the total mode. So if you are done with adding all this information, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby adding your wallet to your account. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.